Hello everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we discussed the right to protest in India in detail, its constitutional basis, important Supreme Court judgments, reasonable restrictions, and why peaceful protest is considered as a safety valve of democracy. Today's discussion is a continuation of that topic because the Hindu article of 24 July 2026 focuses on the same topic. If citizens have the right to protest, then what are the limits of police power? Let's understand this in a simple language. First of all, remember one important constitutional principle. The police are responsible for maintaining law and order, but they are not above the constitution. Just as citizens have right, the police also have power. But those powers are not unlimited. Whenever a peaceful protest takes place, the role of the police is to regulate the protest, not to suppress it. This is exactly what the Supreme Court has repeatedly emphasized. The Constitution allows every citizen to peacefully express opinion, assemble without arms, and form association. These freedoms together create the constitutional foundation of the right to protest. At the same time, this right is not absolute and can be reasonably regulated in the interest of public order. Now, the important question is, when can the police intervene? The police can impose restriction only when there is a genuine threat to public order, violence, or security. They can regulate the time, place, route, and the manner of a protest so that public life is not necessarily disturbed. But they cannot stop a peaceful protest simply because they disagree with the message. This distinction is very important. The Supreme Court has made this balance clear to several landmark judgments like Himat Lal Shah judgment, Ram Lila Maidan case, Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan. So democracy demands balance. On the one side is the citizen's right to protest, on the other side is the state responsibility to maintain public order. Neither right can completely override the other. The public cannot misuse their power to silence democratic dissents, and protesters cannot misuse their right to create indefinite public inconvenience or violence. That is the constitutional balance. Remember these 3 points. Number one, right to protest is derived from Article 19, not separately mentioned in the Constitution. Number two, police has the power to regulate peaceful protest, but not to suppress them arbitrarily. Number three, the Supreme Court consistently follow the principle of balancing fundamental right with public order through reasonable restriction. So, a mature democracy is not one where protests never happen. It is one where citizens protest peacefully, police act lawfully, and both respect the Constitution. As the Supreme Court rightly observed, dissent is the safety valve of democracy.